The reason I wrote the book was to help learning and development people develop new skills that are ultimately going to help their business and change how their businesses look at those learning and development people. I mean, this book really gives the training and development person a whole new skill set leveraged around technology and how to use that technology to help their businesses succeed. Learning on demand, when most people use that term, they're either referencing job aids or performance support. I hear it being thrown around when it comes to social media and informal learning. At the end of the day, learning on demand is really about an entire ecosystem, entire suite of systems and technologies that support an individual at work, at play, at their home. So I'm going to point to two key takeaways for the readers of this book. The first is that the web already has a value system built within it that we can leverage. So content that goes viral is valuable. Content that the web understands and can personalize for you is valuable. And so one of the biggest key takeaways is this idea of value, that we need to start thinking about how we're going to build valuable content. And if you're going to put it on the web already has for us an entire economy that we can leverage. The second key takeaway is that we have to stop thinking about designing training as though it were always deployed locally. That if you're going to put something on the web and that the web is going to make sense of it and personalize it, then you're no longer building for a single purpose, you're building content to suit multiple purposes. Organizations that want to adopt a learning on demand framework, I mean, the place that they start and the way that they prepare is by losing some of the ideologies that they're holding on to. So there's the opposite of learning on demand is learning on command, which is the idea that I can force you to learn at any time. And instead, look at the notion that employees will be able to self-teach and they'll be able to go out and find answers for themselves. And it might not happen exactly when you need it to happen, but it will always happen when the employee needs it to happen for themselves. And if you lose the ideology that I can force you to learn, and you adopt an ideology of I need to be able to support the employee at their jobs when they need to be supported, that's a really good place to start thinking about what systems you need for that to happen.